Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I am Tokid. Today's topic is about 4 C's of Human Resource Project: Contracts, Configuration, Cycle, as well as Challenges. Introduction. The project has a way of organizing work, and teams as a way of organizing employees have become universal in organizations. The factors contributing to this increase include the globalization of market, organizations' adaptations, and response to change, increased needs for innovation, and the amplified rates of services replacement cycles. Essentially, projects and teams of one response to the randomness, complexity, and turbulence in which modern day organizations evolve. So, it is important to note that HR professionals do not typically suffer formal project management training in spite of the fact that they implement many kinds of projects in all aspects of human resource management. So, when the team undertaking a human resource project seeking to benefit from project's outcome are not fully cognizant of project management theory and practice. The risk of project failure, late delivery, budget overruns, or unmet requirements is highlighted. The two aspects of resource projects highlights the importance of effective project management. The one is the need for HR professionals to collaborate with external consultants who bring specific expertise to many HR programs. The second aspect of HR program is participation of key stakeholders in the organization, as most HR programs are designed to improve employee and manager functioning at same level. The involvement from these individuals is essential. This involvement can occur at a project initiation. The next is the project team. A project team is an organized group of people who are involved in performing shared or individual tasks of project as well as achieving shared or individual goals and objectives for the purpose of succeeding the project and producing its results. A project team also responsible for developing the project product and therefore must work in accordance with procedures set out in the configuration management plan. The team consists of full-time and part-time human assets supposed to collaboratively work on producing the deliverable and moving the project towards successful completion. Whether the projects are managed by a set of core and component teams or by an integrated do-it-all team, the team of performance is influenced by the 4 C's: contracts, configuration, cycle, as well as challenges. Let's here discuss about 4 C's one by one. The first one is contracts. In team, contracts is often incompetently described and understudied in the spite of the fact that, for example, organization culture, climate, and structure impact how people can succeed at their jobs. Like that, where you have to work, when you have to work. Let's see what is the element of contracts. There are three types of elements of contracts. The first one is the human resource management is a support function and therefore an indirect driver of an organization's core business. Then the second key element is understanding the context of human resource project team reflects the dynamic aspects of organizations. The third related element is a consequence of first two due to rapidly changing organization demands and controlled resources. Human resource departments often seek external consulting services to provide specific expertise. The next is about configuration of the project team members. What is the configuration of the project? The team members from multiple organizations are very disciplined with different project roles, working with stakeholders from a range of levels within the organizations with the different prospects on the project. Therefore, it is critical that HR professionals be able to develop shared mental models among these team members. In the configuration of the project, the team constructs reflects how the team members interact, collaborate, they conflicts and manage them. Because of this, the preceding discussion on the contracts is relevant when discussing the configuration of the human resource project team. First, whether the projects are done internally or with the help of outside vendors. So in the project at configuration stage, the process raise technology with time, cost, resources, and business performance, as well as environmental performance and organization culture. The next one is the cycles in the project work. Project life cycle. All projects, regardless of size and complexity, can be mapped in the following life cycle structure. This is the journal project life cycle. Here, the level of project activity with cost staffing level managed with time. Starting the project, organizing and preparing, then carrying out the work, at the last closing the project with achieved project documents. This is the journal cycle in the project work. The first, project preparation, then official request towards the examination appraisal approved by the cabinet. After that, exchange of note and grant agreement towards the implementation of the project, then completion of the project, ex post valuation with the follow-up cooperation. The challenges to project team effectiveness and adaptation. Project challenges showing the corporate culture overlapping the projects and resource allocation. Here the corporate culture would be the challenge, as well as overlapping of projects and effective collaboration between departments and teams. Then the resource allocation. and influence of newly networked customers would be another challenge. Managing the project team across the human resource activities. Here you can see this is the hybrid collaboration of HR with project management. The HR management plan consisting external issues with compliance need and safety requirements. Then the project team with creation strategies motivates and ensures the regulations. This skills and project needs with agrees equations and release to the team and training needs and schedule. And after that identifies and creates the project organization chart. Here the first is as the function of type of HR project, and the first is the selection training adds 360-degree feedback project teams, improve the employee performance and organization productivity, all organization culture, resistance quality of assessment, moderate opportunities to adapt between episodes, managing stakeholder support, ensuring standardization in project delivery. While as HR project, the human resource management system implementation project teams increase the efficiency and effectiveness of HR information management. Large organizations, regulations and policies, organizational culture, transparency, with limited opportunities to adapt and following professionals' guidelines. Transferring the technology to the client organizations. So today this is all about 4Cs, and thank you so much, and I hope you like this video.